Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good milkshake full guide. Start by gathering cold whole milk, quality ice cream, a blender, and any mix-ins you want to use. Keep portions simple, roughly 2 cups ice cream to 1 cup milk, adjust for thickness. Taste as you go and add small amounts of sweetener or salt. Use chilled glasses and serve immediately for best texture and flavor with a friendly smile. A great milkshake starts with the right ingredients and proportions, and you don't need anything fancy. Use 2 scoops or about 2 cups of full-fat ice cream and roughly 1 cup of cold milk to start. Measure mix-ins like syrups or fruit so you can repeat results, and taste before serving. Keep toppings simple and prep any garnishes so the shake stays cold and looks inviting when you pour it. Technique makes a huge difference and is easy to master with a few habits. Blend briefly on low speed to combine, then pulse to maintain thickness and avoid melting ice cream. If it becomes too thin, add a small scoop of frozen ice cream rather than more milk. For texture, fold in small mix-ins by hand. Serve in chilled glasses and finish with a straw and a light garnish to impress friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.